Hi friends, today for phonics we are going to be using this poster and we are going to make observations about what we see, and later you guys are going to be uploading a picture of some of your work to a Google form to show me what you learned. So first, let's just go ahead and start by looking over here. I wrote this part using a black marker, so I want you to focus on this part on the left side first, okay? My first question for you all is, what do you call these? These things that I wrote on the paper, what do you call those? So I'm going to give you a minute to think and either say it out loud or think about it or tell someone who's sitting next to you, like a family member. What do you call these things on this paper? Look at my watch and give you some time. All right. Now, if you need more time to think, go ahead and pause the video and keep thinking. If you want to go ahead and listen to me give you the answer and talk about it, keep listening. Each of these things on this poster right here is called a word. So if you guessed that those were called a word, you are correct. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in the poster with the word word. Each of these is called a word. Now, what do we notice about words? What are words made of? I'm going to give you another minute to think. And as always, if you need more time, pause the video and think. All right, I'm going to go ahead. If you need more time, pause the video. Each of these words, what do we notice about them? They are made up of letters. Some words have more letters than others. This is Takori's name, okay? Takori's name has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters in his name. What about right here? This is another word. This is the word is. Is has only 2 letters. And you might notice that some words have more letters than others, and some words are made up of only 1 letter. And since this is the letter A and it's by itself, this word simply just says A. That's the word A. Okay, so it says Takori is reading a book. These are individual words, okay? Now, why are words important? Why do we need words? Let me just think of something in real life that could happen, right? Maybe, because in your lesson last week, Miss Maddie read Jamaica's Blue Marker. Maybe you're in class and your friend wants you to share something, but you don't want to share and they take it from you. That might make you feel some type of way, right? I might make a face like this. I might be sad or mad or angry. Now, it's important to know words and be able to use words to express your feelings. That's just one reason why words are so important. Words can help you to communicate things to your friends, to your family, help you to express how you feel, or it can just help you talk to people in everyday life, okay? It's also important that you know how to read words. So these are words, and words are very important for many reasons. Now, we can use words to make and I don't have that there yet, we're going to think about it. If I put these words together, side by side, what is this called? I used a black marker to write these words down here, but I put them next to each other with little spaces in between, and I put this at the end, and that's called a period. So when we put words together, what does it make? I'm going to give you a second to think. And as always, if you need more time to think, pause the video, take your time, and then you can play it again when you're ready to hear the answer. All right, when we put words together, we make something called a sentence. So I'm going to go ahead and get a marker and write the word sentence. So today we learned that these things are called words. Words are made up of letters. Some words only have 1 letter. Some words have lots of letters, okay? And when we put words together, these words, when we put them together, we make something called a sentence. A sentence is something that you can read, something that you can say, and it can help you to communicate things. Corey is reading a book. That is what my sentence says. So I took my words, put them together to make a sentence. What I want you guys to do today is you guys are going to be making your own sentence, writing it on a piece of paper, and uploading a picture of it to show me that you understand that words can be put together to make a sentence to tell about something. Okay, and you're going to get to tell about whatever you want in your sentence when you upload it. But I will also include a little sentence stem. If you're not sure what to write about, I can help you to get your sentence started.